Welcome to our video on the top 5 best sewing machines of 2023. If you're a sewing enthusiast or just starting out, you know how important it is to have a reliable and efficient machine. In this video, we will be showcasing the latest and greatest sewing machines on the market, perfect for any skill level or project. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of sewing machines. Number 5, Brother HC1850. The Brother HC1850 is the sewing machine we recommend for just about every at-home sewer. It is exceptionally user-friendly, with a large light-up screen, easy-to-read numerals, and simple forward and backward buttons for each setting. Selecting your desired stitch from one of the 185 available options is a piece of cake, so you can get to your sewing faster. With denoted default settings, the HC1850 makes it easier than ever to remember how you adjusted your stitches, and to determine how you'll adjust them for a new project. The HC1850 can't quite match others when it comes to making buttonholes. On easy fabrics like cotton muslin, buttonholes come out looking beautiful. However, on many other types of fabrics, the needle tends to jump at the start, creating an odd offshoot of the stitching. But if your plans for adding buttonholes are minimal, the HC1850 excels at everything else. And with a price this reasonable, we solidly recommend this for pretty much any hobby sewer. Number 4, Brother CS5055. If you're hoping to save some cash with your sewing machine purchase, the Brother CS5055 is our top recommendation. This user-friendly model produced high-quality stitches with most of our test fabrics. The setup is fast, and choosing your stitches is super easy. It has the standard needle threader and does an average job at winding a bobbin. This machine also has more than enough stitches for most projects and produces a quality buttonhole. That said, we were disappointed by the thread cutter and the way this machine sewed a zipper. We also had some slight issues with the bobbin tension. The CS5055 bunched up the fabric a bit in a few of our tests. Still, we think these are minor inconveniences for those looking for a great deal on a new sewing machine, especially for a beginner. Number 3, Singer 9960 Quantum Stylist. The Singer 9960 Quantum Stylist is an excellent machine with enough stitches to satisfy even the pickiest sewer. Relatively easy to set up for such a complex machine, it has fantastic lighting and a well-designed automatic thread cutter. Scoring high marks on all our many stitching tests, we love all the interesting and unique stitches this premium model can produce. We were also impressed with the ease and quality of the buttonholes on this machine, making it one of our favorites for this task. We did have some problems with the default tension settings. The needle threading and bobbin winding processes were only average. The instruction manual is also a bit clumsy to read. The layout requires a lot of flipping back and forth to find, read, and follow directions. That said, for the amount of complexity this machine is capable of, it's relatively easy to use. If you've been dreaming of more stitches to embellish and accent your projects, the 9960 Quantum Stylist is a fantastic option. Number 2, Singer 7258 Stylist. If you are new to sewing or are looking for a good all-around machine, the Singer 7258 Stylist is a great choice. This machine is among the easiest to use and set up, and it has a respectable library of stitches that should cover most projects. The buttonholes it produces have excellent stitch quality with a straightforward one-step process. The 7258 has a built-in thread cutter, and its automatic bobbin winder makes it very easy for a beginner to get up and running with their first sewing project without major frustration. Amateur and veteran users alike will have no problem quickly and efficiently accomplishing their desired tasks. While the stitch quality on this machine is quite high, it isn't the best we tested. Still, the stitches produced by the Singer 7258 are sufficient for most projects, and its ease of use and modest price tag makes it an enticing option. It's not the only solid choice for the budget-conscious sewer, but it stands out from similar scoring models by how well it makes tidy, usable buttonholes. If you are shopping on a budget and want a hassle-free and competent machine that will make neat buttonholes in just about any project, this is the model we recommend. Number 1, Juki HCL F300. The Juki HCL F300 was our favorite overall sewing machine, earning the highest score of the entire group. This machine is a powerhouse, quickly and easily going through many layers of denim or anything else we tossed at it. It has excellent quality stitches, exceptional lighting, and above-average buttonholes, among many other great assets. Unfortunately, all of this performance comes at a premium price. This makes the HCL F300 much more suitable for someone who frequently sews and is very dedicated to the craft. Users looking to undertake small projects or the occasional patch would be much better served by some of the other machines in our lineup, which retail for considerably less. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 best sewing machines of 2023. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your search for the perfect sewing machine. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. Also, don't forget to check out the product links in the description below for more information on the sewing machines featured in this video. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.